Imagine browsing the internet with a secure tunnel that protects your data and improves connection stability even on slow networks. So in this video, I'll show you how to configure X-RP Tunnel VPN step by step so you can enjoy a safer and more reliable internet connection. X-RP Tunnel VPN is a tunneling application that allows users to create a secure connection between their device and the internet. It works by routing your internet traffic through encrypted servers, which can help improve privacy and connection stability. In this tutorial, you will learn how to download, install, and configure X-RP Tunnel VPN for a secure internet experience. So let us open Google Play Store and we download X-RP Tunnel VPN. Keep note of the logo or icon, the VPN name, and then you're going to install that application. As in, type X-RP like that tunnel, then search. You'll be provided with such a kind of application. Tap install and wait for the installation to complete. Then after, open or launch the X-RP Tunnel app or VPN app. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. If you get any problem, just comment. The comment section is open. So like the video, make that like button your friend, subscribe button, make it your friend. Always comment if you get any problem, and keep in mind that this tutorial is for informational, research and creative purposes only. Users are requested to follow the internet service providers' terms and conditions, local laws, and then the community guidelines. So after opening the application, allow the required permissions. You will see the main dashboard of the VPN application. So this is how you're going to set the application. Join their Telegram channel to keep up with the important updates. Then after, you're going to come right here where you have the update. Update the servers to ensure that you are up to date and to prevent connection issues. Then after, you're going to come right here where you have the auto select server. You are free to choose any server provided that it is near to your country's location, but I always recommend my viewers and lovely subscribers to keep up with the auto select server. Then after, you're going to come right here where you have Wi-Fi and data. You're going to look for a server. As you see, you can we're going to connect to the all country free internet UDP, but if UDP does not work in your country, you can search your country's name. You'll be provided with a server that will be working in your country, but for a moment let us choose the all country UDP. Then after, we are going to start. Allow the VPN service and wait for a few seconds so that the application can establish a secure connection. So these are the benefits of this application. It helps to protect your internet traffic. It can improve connection stability on some networks. It encrypts your data while browsing and then allows use of custom configuration files. And the important tips are: always use reliable configuration files. Ensure you have an active internet data bundle. Avoid sharing personal details online. So choose a server and then start. As you see, it has connected successfully, and then I request you to subscribe, like the video, comment if you get any problem, share to your friend as I sign out.